this video, we will show you two methods to remove the background in Canva. Let's take this image as an example. Method 1. Click on the image to select it. Then click on the BG Remover tool in the toolbar. After a few seconds, the background of the image will be removed. Please note that this feature requires a Canva Pro subscription. If you do not have Canva Pro, you can use the second method. For the second method, go to the Apps section and search for Clear Background. Click to open the Clear Background app. Choose the file and upload the image that you need to remove the background from. Then click on Clear Background. After a moment, you will see the background removed image added to your Canva page. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.